When you have Guru Kripa, as our Gurudev, Holy Guruji used to say, there are 4 types of Kripa. Deva Kripa, Shastra Kripa, Guru Kripa and Kuduki Kripa. It means first Kripa, first blessings you need of the Devatas. There are so many living creatures in this universe, all types of animals, insects, bugs, fishes. But the highest category of all living beings are us humans. If the God gave us the opportunity, eating, sleeping and reproducing also animals can do. But us as humans, we have a higher duty. There is a much higher purpose of our life in this universe. It's more than just these all general things which also animals do. So first the Kripa, the first blessings comes of the deities of the Devatas. When they give you the blessings, then you get born as a human, in this human form. Then after that comes the Shastra Kripa. We go to school, we go to colleges, we study books, we read books to gain the knowledge, that the knowledge comes within us, that we learn something from those books, from those scriptures. You need the Kripa of the Shastras. So second is Shastra Kripa. Then the third Kripa is the Guru Kripa. Guru Kripa hi kevalam. Vishwaguruji always says, Guru Kripa hi kevalam shishya ke ananda mangalam. If Gurudev's Kripa is showering on you, if Gurudev's blessings is with us, then nothing in this world can stop us and nothing will be bothering us. When Guru's Kripa is with us, everything is possible, everything is successful in our life. So the third Kripa, the third blessings is the blessings of a Guru. We all believe in India, in Jyotish, in Kundali. These all things is useful, it all helps. But when the Vidata herself, if she writes something, it's supposed to happen. But there is only one person in this universe who can even change our futures, who is the Antaryami, who knows the future, the past and the present. Trikaldarshi, that's a Puja Gurudev, as our beloved Gurudev, His Holiness Vishwaguru Mahamandaleshwar, Maheshwaranand Puriji, who knows what is good for us and what is bad for us. If he says something is wrong, it means it's wrong. Don't doubt him. He can see everything, what is coming for us and what happened and what will happen. Guru Agya Vicharaniya, never doubt the Vakyas, never doubt the Guru Vakya. Follow it. So, no matter what the Vidata, no matter what the gods write for you, the Guru is that personality who can change everything if he wants. When you are thirsty, the well will not come to you. When you are thirsty, the thirsty person has to go towards the well. The well will not come, oh, you are thirsty, come drink water from me. No. The person who is thirsty will go to the well and come and drink water. In the same way, the Guru will not come to you, come my child, come to me, I will give you everything. No. Until and unless we from inside don't believe and don't, with unconditional love and dedication and devotion towards a Sri Gurudev, till that doesn't come from within, nothing will happen. So Khud ki Kripa, the fourth Kripa, as the Holy Guruji used to say, was Khud ki Kripa, the blessings and the Kripa of ourselves. When we believe from within that we really need a true Gurudev to fulfill all our wishes, that we attain our ultimate goal of self-realization of moksha, then that is only possible by the Kripa of the Gurudev. So today was a beautiful day, as it was our Dada Guruji, Holy Guruji's Punyatiti, his Barsi, and second, our dear Guru brother Swami Puriji got the very great post of Mahamandaleshwar, so we are very happy for that, and I would like to wish you all a wonderful evening. With this, I would like to conclude my speech and pranams to Gurudev. Swasti prajabhyam paripalayantam nyayena margena mahin mahisha gau brahmanebhyo shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om shanti shanti shantir bhavatu. Om Shalak Puriji Mahadeva ki jai. Devadidev Deveshwar Mahadeva ki jai. Shridip Narayan Bhagavan ki jai. Hindu Dharmsamrat Paramhans Swami Sri Madhavanandaji Satgurudev Bhagavan ki jai. Vishwaguru Mahamandaleshwar Paramhans Swami Sri Maheshwaranand Puriji Yogiraj ki jai. Hara Namah Parvati Pataye Hara Hara Mahadeva Shambho.